Hello, Zolai learners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Zolai Le Mang Lai. And today, let's learn when to use a and when to use a. First of all, let's talk about when to use a. A is used when talking about a place, indicating direction, or describing where someone or something is. For example, Nyang tui sai a, which means at the tea house. Sang in a at school. Khan sunga in the room. Saboy tunga on the table. Anoi a it is under something. So if we look at these examples, you will know that a is used when we are talking about the place, when we are describing where something is or somebody is. Next is a. A is used to indicate possession, and it can also be functioned as a state verb. For example, ama a, it is his or it is hers. Gay a is mine. Ama a is his or is hers. Apa, his father or her father. Amit, his eye or her eye. Example phrases or sentences. USA zomi te, which means the zombie in the United States. Next, Mao Kiang A by Nom Ing. Mao Kiang A by Nom Ing. I want to go there. Now it's time to check your understanding. The first sentence. Gay kapi kiang A by Ning. Gay kapi kiang A by Ning. Which one will you use? A or a? A. Yes, that's correct. We will use a. Why? Because we are talking about the place, the location. And the next sentence is so what will we use in here? We will use a because we are talking about the possessions. A grandma has a cat, so I will take or I will adopt that cat. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you understand when to use a and when to use a. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.